Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on notifications for fundraisers on Instagram. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Then, select Hamburger menu. After that, tap to open Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on the Notifications. After that, select Fundraisers. And then tap on the button beside On. And that's it. This is how you can turn on notifications for fundraisers on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.